Welcome back to Blue's Garden Tips. Making a medium spicy salsa. Very easy, all fresh ingredients. I use some chopped up tomato from my garden, whatever's starting to get soft, a couple of bell pepper, a couple of sweet banana, some lemon aji pepper, that's the spice, some garlic, onion, cumin, all of that into the processor, food processor, only for a short amount of time. You want it to still be chunky. Then I simmer it on the stovetop for just a couple of minutes, maybe 15. I add in some fresh cilantro at the end and try and steam out some of the liquid. Then jar it up. I make it a few times a summer. Thanks, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Blue's Garden Tips.